So what's up guys, AIRSOFTEK here. Today I'm gonna do a little review on a brand new pouch that I buy, and it looks pretty cool. So this is from Wynex Tactical, and this is the mag admin pouch, they call that. Now let's crack it open. I've got my actual looking mid cam. First of all, you have a Canadian flag and a Wynex pouch, which is really cool, man. Like a coyote or something. So this is the pouch itself, and this is the back of it. So you have adjustable strap, and you can place them wherever you want. So me, that's gonna be 2 on the middle and 2 on the end. I know it gives more stability that way. So yeah, so those are clear. You know, that's really cool. You have 2 guys right there to put them into I don't know, like a kind of chest rig, you know, or whatever, or you can, you know, put stuff in there. On the other side, of course, all that part right there is Velcro, so you know you can put your pouch in there and all that stuff. Otherwise, you know, of course, it's, you know, your good old Molle webbing, so now you can put stuff on top of it. And on the back, you have 3 places to insert your mag, 4 mags. I don't know if AK mags fit in there, but you have your retention things on there. So let's crack it open. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, there's something in there that you can tighten a little bit, so when you open it, it doesn't just flap all the way, right? I'm gonna put you up a little bit more so you can see better. So you know, you open it and you have that. Let's get it open. So you have 2 kind of elastic webbing in there to put something in there, like a flashlight or something. I have 2 compartments here. I have a nice pouch here to put something in there, and on there, on the bottom side, if you want, you have coming loose. You have like a zipper on there, and you know you can put stuff in there. You have a flap right there, don't know what's for. And again, you know, you have those 5 elastic webbing in there. And, you know, you can put your stuff in there. So yeah, so that's a really nice pouch. It's not too expensive and all that, you know. And you know, that gives you basically, you know, a really nice pouch. Put all your stuff in there, you know, map or spare mags, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, and you have your 3 mags on the back, so you know that's really cool. So the mag, so now I just put it you know, super fast in there, so you know it's gonna be way tighter. You know, if you put the webbing correctly. Let's just show the mag, the pouch and all the stuff. So first of all, this is an AK mag right there. So you know your AK mag gonna fit in there, you know, like no problem. Here I have a normal M4 mag, and here I have an X mag, right? So they're all gonna fit in there really nicely. There's no problem there. Like I said, if you want, you can put more stuff in there. And here, if you want, you can put your nice patch or whatever. And then you open your way up, and then you have access to, you know, spare batteries or spare mags, right? Stuff like that. And there's a gentler room, you know, to put a couple of stuff in there. So yeah, you know, that's a really nice pouch. You know, I have nothing bad to say about it. For the price, you know, it can really go wrong. Just need to check online, you know, definitely, you know, where you're from, how it costs. But for me, I think it was like around 30 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. So yeah, that's really nice pouch. And you know, like I said, without any adjustment, you know, those mags are not gonna come out, right? Are not super tight in there, but you know, they almost enter in there full. And without an adjustment, you know, I can put AK mags in there and they hold tight, right? Securely in place and all that stuff. So yeah, really nice pouch. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.